Good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome back to Fat Cat Collections. I just want to do a quick updated video of a video I did a couple years ago. Only because I wanted to kind of make it a quick video, right to the point. A few folks have said I talk too much in the video. Imagine that. But so I wanted to go ahead, because it is one of my top 10 videos, surprisingly one of my top 10 videos, I wanted to at least, or one of my most viewed videos, I want to at least do an updated video because it is a common problem that a lot of people have, and I want to save you guys some money. So if you have a microwave and one day it just starts to randomly spark really bad with nothing in it, or has a loud kind of electrical buzzing coming from it, the first thing you want to do is check the waveguide cover. 99% of the time, that's going to be your issue. In my case, sure enough, I was ready to throw the microwave away. I stumbled upon this information, and instead of buying a new waveguide cover, I needed my microwave to work immediately. I can't go a day without a microwave. Most people can't, right? And so what I did is I pulled that waveguide cover off and I cleaned it really well. And it looks just like a piece of cardboard, but it's actually made of mica. I'm not really sure exactly how it works or what it does, but it's crucial to having the microwave work properly and avoiding any kind of nasty sparking going on. So what I did is I popped mine out. Your microwave may be different. I've seen some that have a little plastic cage that holds that. Other ones like mine just have a little kind of plastic rivet on all four sides. Every microwave is a little bit different. You want to pop that out, give it a good cleaning. Be careful because it is somewhat brittle. You can scrub it, but don't go crazy on it because you don't want to damage it. But this is going to be a good way to test it. You can clean it, put it back in, it works great. If not, you want to get a new piece of mica board, and that's what I did. Really straightforward. Basically, take your old waveguide cover off, basically put it on top of your new mica board, use a pencil, trace it out, use an X-Acto knife, be careful not to cut yourself naturally, use a ruler or maybe a straight edge, and just put a splice in that, cut right through it if you can, and you'll have a brand new waveguide cover. And what you do is you basically just pop that in. In my case, I had to drill a few little holes on each corner to allow the rivets to pop it into the microwave. Again, your microwave might be a little bit different, but that was it, problem fixed. So I almost threw the thing in the garbage can. I saved myself 150 bucks and my microwave works perfectly. So I've got a lot of response to that video, a lot of positive response. I saved a lot of people money with that video. I just wanted to put up another quick video, just a little shorter and kind of to the point for you guys who just want it now. So let me just go ahead and show you what it looks like here. I'm going to turn the camera around here. And so here's my microwave. Like I said, it's just a pretty basic microwave. And let me just turn on some lights here. A little more lighting. Probably should have did that before we started, but so you pop it open, and then right on the side here, you can see, hopefully, see, let me turn this here, right here. And my microwave, obviously, I feel a little embarrassed. It does need a good cleaning. I'll do that later, but yeah, so it just looks like a little piece of cardboard right here, 4 rivets on each side. Actually, mine has 3 tabs that it pops into, and then of course 1 rivet. So that's the one hole that I drilled. I kind of forgot. It's been a while since I did it, and that's all. Pretty much replace that, and you can see kind of on top here this little bit of a kind of discoloration is where the old waveguide cover had oil on it. It was actually sparking real bad. So I put that brand new one in there, and voila, brand new, no issues, no sparking, totally fixed the problem. So now the question you might have is, where do I get waveguide or mica board? Whoops, that's not going to work. Zooming in on my face here. So if you guys want to go ahead and get your hands on that, I actually just made a few phone calls around town. You probably won't find it in Lowe's or Home Depot. It's kind of a specialty item that's really hard to find. And I actually just ended up calling up a couple repair shops, appliance repair shops around town, and just asking if they had any. And I stumbled upon one guy who had some laying around. I said, hey, can I buy a couple pieces off you? He gave me like a sheet, like 8x8. Still have a little bit left over for the future in case I need to do that again. And he just said, yeah, come out to the house. I'll leave it behind the planter or something. So problem solved. Really nice of him to do that. You may have a similar experience if you find somebody locally. Start with appliance repair shops. When all else fails, if you can't find it locally because you want to fix it immediately, you can go ahead and just get on Amazon. I'll put a few links in the description for eBay and Amazon. The only downside, you got to wait a couple days for it, depending on where you live and the shipping speed. So that's about it, folks. That's problem solved with the microwave. If you have any questions whatsoever about that simple fix, let me know. As always, guys, thanks for watching. I hope that one was, less than 5 minutes. That's a record for me. All right, guys, have a wonderful day and take care.